We're at the site. The plumber wants the pump here. The engineer says it should be there. Who's right, and why does it matter so much? Pump placement affects everything. Flow rate, priming ability, suction losses, noise, energy consumption. If you ignore these, even a great pump can perform badly. Plumbers often prioritize ease of access and shortest piping. Engineers prioritize hydraulic efficiency and system balance. Both have valid points, but the system's behavior decides what works long-term. Example: placing the pump too far from the tank equals suction losses. Too high equals priming issues. Too close to noise-sensitive zones equals complaints. Smart projects align both sides. Respect fluid dynamics. Respect installation realities. Use the system layout as your guide. A proper hydraulic plan saves money, service calls, and reputation. It's not plumber versus engineer. It's logic versus guesswork. We enhance design logic with every decision at Fluidemy by Ebitt.